Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 1, Milford 1. TS Galaxy wins via penalties. I'm joined by Ikrash Kaizer Chiefs.
Ikrash Yamakos.
Yeah.
Why
Hey, it's like I'm
cruising nicely.
Yeah.
She's cruising nicely.
Yeah, she's cruising nicely. Just like Kaizer Chiefs.
Lochani. Akhuluma ngoma Africa mndazana kosomakoko. Ikrash Kaizer Chiefs. Sithibo. Ngikutshelile Friday
Wathini mama?
ngathi impi nempi inontanga bayo. So impi yanamhlanje bekungithi ontanga bayo. Ngathi mina kuwe noma singashayeka yesterday kodwa namhlanje sizonqoba.
Siyadlula mama.
Akutshela ngathi namhlanje sizodlula. Ngathi Friday last week azange ngikutshela ukuthi thina asicala impi kodwa iqedwa yini.
Yes wa.
Because yitho abontanga bayo.
Yes wa.
You ask me ukuthi iNetbank ikunikeza mali lese uthatha loan ye 6000 wa predict correct uyayithatha imali yakho mina ngipredict correct ngicela ubuyele kuma prescribe wakho wa last ngitheni ngithe ngibani rekord
ubani la uthi korilo
uthe uMahlambi and ungasangibuza that's my man of the match
uMahlambi
ngathi uzindonga ngathi unkakora so siqedile lento
Bakuna le mali.
Siqedile lento so iNetbank should yonginikeza le 6000 ngoba plus
Wazonika plus.
abakunike ma
Plus awumnike man.
uyithathile kodwa lo
angifuni ngithathile ngikhulume nawe Friday
ngiyatshela abaphathi ngiyobatshela ukuthi ayingeke
so enye into ngitshele yona azangisho ukuthi iTS Galaxy
yada
ngithe kuwe iTS Galaxy i-game intelligent nayo
very smart
football once wawa ne-game intelligent uqedile wazi i-secondary assist uyabona abadlali bethu bayayazi i-secondary assist i-secondary assist abangayazi ukuthi niwuthola ibhola uzoyisaphi wazi i-zonal play phela nowazi abadlali bethu banayo i-zonal play i-zonal play is like driving a car uqale ngapha so abadlali bethu secondary assist bayayazi i-zonal play bayayazi so singahlula yini
angeke sihlulwe yini
i-game intelligent bayayazi so siyayivala thina siyenyuka
bale game intelligence efana ne-Chiefs
iChiefs ngicela ungakhulumi ngayo ngoba zange ingene abantu laba madoda score bazikoreli 1 baqedile but then kwinta mngani wami ngohlangana nawe ngezi12 relax njengoba uthatha iplatform bese wena ungakhuluma ukuthi game 12 noSenzani ngoba kuNetbank awukho thatha iplatform